Hey guys, welcome back to Investolearn Academy's channel, and this is Ayushi Verma, and today I'll be discussing the technical analysis overview on the different cryptocurrencies. So basically I'll be looking at the Bitcoin and the Ethereum in the initial time, and then slowly we will add on more cryptocurrencies in this video. So let's quickly start with the Bitcoin cryptocurrency first. So let me just open the Bitcoin's chart. So if you can see here, you can see the weekly chart of Bitcoin, right? So this is the weekly chart of Bitcoin, and I have taken some of the uh, indicators like the trend lines as well as the support and resistance levels, also the this moving averages, right? So because we are looking for a longer time frame, so I have taken the 50, 100 and 200 days moving averages. So let's quickly start it, right? Now if you look at this weekly chart, right, this 29,000 level was the important level. So here you can see that many a times the price was taking a support at this particular level, but this time something different happens. So this time what happens here is the price just trades below than this particular 29,000 level. So that happened recently, and that if there is a important support level that needs to break, or if the price closes below than that, you will definitely see more fall in the upcoming time. And also if you look at another interesting thing, that now this, if you see if you can see this red colored line, this is the 200 moving averages. So on a weekly chart, right, the price is now trading below than this 200 moving average, right? So this is something which looks very bearish in the upcoming few weeks, or in the upcoming few months time. Now one thing which looks interesting, like today is Wednesday, so we are almost in the middle of the week, but still we can see a kind of dozy in this week. So what happens here is the price tested this 20,000 levels. No, if I'm not wrong, the price tested this 17,500 levels, right? That was the low, around that was the low the price made in this week. And but the closing happens to be higher than 20,000 levels. That looks little interesting. That looks little relief, because that majorly happened because of the buying activity, and that's the reason in this week we are getting this doji. So the fall has stopped somewhere. They are taking, the price is taking the support at around 20,000 level. And in the recent time, if you have seen, not in the recent time, but yes, in the last year somewhere, around in the month of November or December, you can see that the price was exactly at this level only, where the price was taking a support at 17,500, and then from there we have seen a rise. But this time it's little different, the situation is little different. So you can see you can see that in this week, if nothing major thing happens, we can get a support at 20,000 levels. Now coming to the daily chart, let me just come back quickly to the daily chart. Now the daily chart is of the same thing, where this is the daily chart, and you can see that the price is just hovering around at 20,000 level. So this is the moment, and if you can see here, lots of dozies, lots of spinning tops are there. So that's completely, basically it's lacking momentum. So let's just wait, and let's just get the idea that if the price is able to hold up this 20,000 level, we might able to get a relief rally from here. And if not, we will definitely see immediately the 17,500 levels, and then if the price further goes below, then we can find out the different support levels from there. So as of now, it's looking like it's it looks like that the price is just taking up a support at 20,000 levels. So 20,000 to 17,500 is the immediate range that can be seen for the Bitcoin. Now the second cryptocurrency that you can see here is the Ethereum. So let me just again quickly start with the weekly chart only. All right, now if you look at here, this is also the similar situation that we can see in the Bitcoin. So here also the price is just trading below than the trend line. There is a bearish trend, and also down by all the moving averages. So also recently the price just trading below than the 200 days moving average. So that's also an important level. But one thing looks interesting here, that in the past, I think it was a time of November, December, January's time last year. So you can see that the price took a support here at around 900 levels, and then you can see that at this time also we are getting a support at 900 level. So recently the price just made a low of nearby 900, and then from there the price is just taking us support, and it's trading around at 1200 levels. So the 1200 levels is an important one, because the price is now hovering at that level. Also, if you look at this week, so this week very less momentum you can see, because you can just get us this kind of momentum. This is a very small dozy kind of activity you can see as of now, but the week is still remaining, so we might able to get more action or more clarity once we will be getting more price moving here and there. So you can definitely see that the price for or the levels for the Ethereum could be 1200. That is on a weekly basis, 1200 to 900 levels. That could be the range for this particular cryptocurrency. And if you look at the daily chart of Ethereum, so for the daily chart you can get an idea. Yes, so we can see that here also that we are getting lots of dozies and spinning tops. So again here also for the daily chart also, so we can conclude in this way, that for the daily chart for the Ethereum as well as for the weekly chart. So for the Ethereum daily and weekly chart levels could be 1215, that would be the resistance level, and the support level could be the 900 level. So this is how you can get an idea. So till the time the price is not breaking either of the sides, we can say the price will remain in this range only. So this is uh, something which where we can see that yes, the the fall, or the you can say the dramatic fall that we have seen in the last few weeks, that has stopped somewhere, and now we can see a little maybe a relief or something. That again depends on lot of factors, on lot of fundamental factors, but again we can't say that there will be a reversal in the trend immediately. So of course there will be some kind of negativity, or some kind of downtrend that will gonna stay there for at least for some more time. So that is something you can look at for the Ethereum. So this is how we basically conduct this session. We'll be looking at these two cryptocurrencies in the future sessions also. If in case we'll find something interesting, we will definitely include in the session. So till now, stay tuned, and you can subscribe to our channel. Let us know what topics you want to understand, or how you can what things you can you want to include in this session. So let us know in the comment section, and please do not subscribe please do not forget to subscribe this channel. So thank you so very much.